Hi, welcome to the unboxing and installation guide video of all new PHEONIX treadmill by BEATXP. Let us quickly move on to our next steps. When you receive the box, start by removing the bending and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Lift up the upright column. Step 2. Place the rotation knob on the both sides of the upright column and lock it. Step 2. Use a hexagon wrench to remove the two pre-installed screws at the top of upright columns. Step 4. Attach the storage box with the help of screws, and with this step, your BEATXP PHEONIX treadmill is ready to use. Designed for urban lifestyle, offers great portability feature, foldable for easy storage, made for walking and running.